Hairline on fleek, color on fleek, length on fleek, style, everything about this one is on fleek.
I fell in love with Ashley. Down in Miami, we got nasty. I'm not ashamed, I'm not ashamed.
Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley if you're tuning in for the first time, and today we're going to do a quick and easy beginner friendly install bald cap method free, featuring a company by the name of Myfirstwig. Now I'm sure you guys are very familiar with this company. They've been around for ages here on YouTube, and they definitely are one of the best companies on the market, especially if you are a beginner. This is the company you can go to and receive a wig that is pretty much ready to go into your liking. I did not do the bald cap method at all, and you guys can see how beautiful my install came out. I did add in a little bit of baby hair because, you know, that's just my vibe. We can opt for that and skip that step. But if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, this install, this style, this vibe, keep on watching.
Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Acted kinda innocent this morning. You don't wanna talk it out. I agree the talking feels pointless. Still it happens every night. You know that I need ya, but I'm so sick of this, not sure I can leave ya. It'd be so hard to quit, but every night that we explode, wish I could walk out that door. Hate that I need ya. Yeah. Play it cool, just keep on dancing. Soon we'll burn down into ashes, cause you keep playing with matches.
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. Losing your patience, I already have. Don't try to change me, I'm just the way I am. Don't try to save me, cause I can't be saved. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm not good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love, let yourself unfold. You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. You act so cool, but underneath you seem afraid. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. Yeah. But you keep running away. Owe it to yourself today. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. There's something juvenile about your pretty face, but it seems so hard for you to know when you need space.
Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah.
So you need a little break, huh, boy? Say you need a little space, yeah, boy. Is it cause you can't be faithful, boy? Hope she's cool, unlike you. You ain't ready for a girlfriend, no. Cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no. So you make up shitty reasons for wanting out. See, I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me in town when you're too. I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. I was pretty when I met you, now I'm prettier than ever, took a second to forget you, boy, only one. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be kinda.
Okay, love bugs, so I am just playing in the hair. I want you guys to see how beautiful the color is in this one. And the beauty is we didn't have to do any work. Let me show you guys what she looks like from the back.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you.
Now what I love about this one is how easy this one was to install, and you did not need to put a bald cap down at all. I did opt for a little bit of baby hair on the side just because, you know, we give a lot of forehead realness. But you guys can see I did not use a bald cap, and the wig fits flat, flush, and you cannot see the cap at all. I have a cap on, but I didn't like cut it into the whole bald cap thing, and you can't tell the difference at all. Hairline on fleek, color on fleek, length on fleek, style, everything about this one is on fleek. One thing I love about Myfirstwig, and sometimes I honestly forget to show it, is that the package always, every single time, comes with these pop-out wig stands. So I have like at least a good 15 to 20 of these in my collection as we speak, and they are the perfect tool to be able to store your wigs, like as a wig stand, but they also, as you can see, you can pop it down and make it super discreet. Inside we did receive some goodies, so I did get a fresh stick of their flyaway tamer, and then here is a set of brown wig caps, and then you have this cool little reusable pouch. You guys already know I have a bunch of these as well. Love this pouch because it is cute, it's stylish, it has their logo on it, and of course it is reusable. Inside they include some tools to install your wig, such as a rat tail comb, and then of course 2 wig clips as well, which I have those yellow ones, but I need a couple more out right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Go ahead and check the link for this one in the description box. Also, you'll find all the links to everything we use to complete the look, all of our styling tools and products. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!